Henry Ford once said, whether you believe you can or you can't, you're right. In other words, local style, no such thing, no can, okay? Any obstacle, hurdle, or barrier is just meant to go over, around, or through. And when any of you question, when further challenges arise, just remember today. Remember this feeling of accomplishment and achievement. Relish it, embrace it, and rub it all over. Because anytime you doubt yourself, remember what got you here. Remember, you dreamed and set a goal. None of you, and all of you, made sure that you never, ever gave up. In Hawaii, we call that pa'ahana, just diligence, just hard work, never, ever giving up. I'm here just to share with you, all of you, this gift that you've earned rightfully through your hard work and determination. Share it, give it, celebrate it. And I just want to say to all of you, aloha, kindness, compassion. Take your dreams and take your life and go out there. But most importantly, share the aloha.